A family home producing more energy than it consumes. NatHERS 8.3 star. With sustainability at the core of this design, Bondi House is a timeless and smart family home that is cool in summer, warm in winter, and cozy in between. Large sliding doors within the front and rear facade create a fluid relationship between indoor and outdoor areas and evoke a relaxed beach vibe commensurate with its surroundings in Bondi Beach. Living areas and main bedroom face north. Adjustable louvers over a north-facing external living space provide shade for hotter months and allow the sun in during winter. For 1000L tank installed to maximize water savings. Rainwater tanks connected to flush toilets, washing machines, external taps, and irrigation. Low water use tap and shower fittings. Filtered ventilated air system used the same ducts as the air conditioner, ensuring fresh air intake and positively pressurizing the home. Here's a look at the plan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI home design ideas, we'd appreciate it.